Here we are going to take the point H, which is located at 2, 2, and reflect it over the x-axis. So the point is at 2, 2, over 2, right 2. We label it point H. Now we want to reflect it over the x-axis. The x-axis, recall, is the horizontal line. One way to think of this is that the point H is 2 above the x-axis, so when I reflect it, I'm going to be 2 units below that x-axis. So here will be point H prime, which is now at the point 2, comma, negative 2. So what happened to this point? Well, our original point was at 2, 2, and when it reflected over the x-axis, it went to 2, negative 2. So what happened here is that the sign on the y is changed.